Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, as you know, we have discussed about the roots, stem, and the leaves part of a plant. Today we are going to discuss about the flower. What do you mean by the flower? A flower represents the reproductive part of a plant body, and it is the most important part meant for the multiplication of the species. So, what are the parts of the flower? Children, as we know that the flower has a stalk called the pedicle, but some flowers do lack of the pedicle, so these flowers are called the sessile flower. The important parts of the flower is the sepals, petals, pistil and the stamen. So what is the function of the flower? The most important function of the flower, because it helps the plant to reproduce. So this is the organ of the sexual reproduction, and it is also the source of the food for many insects. Like example of the bees, they collect the nectar from the flowers and make honey. Flowering plants are grown in the gardens and in homes because of the bright colors, fragrance of the flowers, so that the beautifying the surrounding and provide the aesthetic value. So children, the outermost world is composed of the green leafy structure. These leafy structure, which are green in color, it is called the sepals. Next to the inner world is composed of the colorful, brightly colored part. These brightly colored structure is called the petals, because they are colorful so that the insects are pollinated, the pollen grains. And the all flowers have the male and the female part. The carpel is the name for the female part of the flower, or we can say the pistil. The stamen is the name for the male part of the flower. Children, in this diagram you can easily see the male and the female part. Children, in the middle portion, this is the part of the male part of the flower, in which the first part is the stigma, which is knob-like structure, and then continue into a long style, and the basal swallow part is called the ovary part. In the ovary, ovules are present. Children, the ovary is finally developed into the fruit. The fruits which we are eating is a ovary part of the flower. And the another part like pollen, anther and the filament, these are the male part of a flower. So children, we can understand that how we can label the parts of a plant and the flower. We also know that the plants reproduce flowers and which have the male and the female organs. We know that the seeds are formed when the pollen from the male organ fertilizes the female organs. So children, hope this topic is clear. If any query, you can write in query box, and I am sending you the question answers of this chapter. So you should complete the question answers, and after completing you will send me as a PDF. Thank you children.